Jai Sriman
If you are not there right next to me, I don't care even if somebody offers Amrutam nectar. Ho Rama, even if all the people, not only from this world but also from other worlds, all the great divine devatas comes and gives me all kind of luxuries, pleasures at a time and make sure that I am kept in Brahmanandam. You know, Rama, even that Brahmanandam, even that supreme joy is nothing before the fraction of second of association with you. Spending a fraction of second with you gives me so much joy, Rama. I cannot live without you. Shreyo muhurtam tava sannidhanam. Your company, your association, if you are there right next to me is enough for me, for my entire life. Oh Rama, please do not leave me here. Do not go away from me. Like that Kausalya Mata, breaking and crying a lot. Kausalya Mata is crying a lot. She is in so much piteous stage. Lakshmana is also crying with so much anger. Rama is looking at both of them. Now tells Lakshmana that, oh Lakshmana, you are also not realizing, not understanding my opinion. And you are not understanding my mind. You are also crying along with Kausalya Mata. That is troubling me a lot. That making me so much worried. Oh Lakshmana, we have to be doing any work by which the righteousness is going to be established. We have to be very careful in our activities. We should not be craving for mundane pleasures, luxuries. We should not be carrying out our activities only to gratify our desires. Oh Lakshmana, our father, Dasharatha Maharaju, is our guru. He is our king. He is elderly man. If we do not follow his orders, we will be left like most cruel children in the history. Oh Lakshmana, that is why I am resolving. I decided to follow our father's orders as it is. Like this, Ramachandra Swami very strongly conveys his message to Lakshmana and then turns towards Kausalya Mata and saying that, oh Amma, Kausalya Mata, you are the better half of Dasharatha Maharaju. You are the wife of Dasharatha Maharaju. It is not fair for you to come along with me to the forest. Oh Mata, please allow me to go to forest. By going against to the orders of my father Dasharatha Maharaju, I can never accept this kingdom and kingdom pleasures and authorities. I don't care this. Oh Mata, please allow me to go as soon as possible. Like that, Rama tells Kausalya Mata and again turns towards Lakshmana. By then Lakshmana, with so much of worry and angry, he is breathing heavily like a big serpent. Svesantamiva nagendram. He is looking like big serpent and he is breathing like a big serpent. To such Lakshmana, now Rama says, Lakshmana, please don't get upset with our father and don't worry about me. Be strong, stay strong, and how much ever you showed your enthusiasm to make arrangements for my Pattabhishekam, with the same amount of enthusiasm, please make arrangements for my Vanavasam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.